you say, all those things you said. Lately I've been thinking about all those things you said. I've been working 9 to 5 while you stay home in bed. You said you would get a job so you can pay the rent. All those things you said, all those things you said.
The things that you said don't mean a thing, that's what she don't need. Get that in your head, she don't need Gucci, she easy to please. The things that you said don't mean a thing, and I think maybe you should just leave.
You said that you would treat me right, boy. Say you would be right by my side, boy. But tell me, where were you tonight? You've been messing around with a different crowd, and you don't wanna be found. You said that you would treat me right, boy. Say you would be right by my side, boy. But tell me, where were you tonight? You've been messing around with a different crowd, and you don't wanna be found.
It's Friday night, you should be at home with the wifey and the kids, right? But when the homies call, he's out the door saying it's gonna be lit tonight. And now you're stressing, sending out texts without the X like it's a fight. Cause you always start screwed, but it turns out left and you thought it was Mr. Right. Nope, he ain't never gonna let up, cause he a let down, girl, got you fed up. Never let him get you down, girl, I said get up. Put on them shoes that make your body hella. Let him see that it won't ever get better than you. Never could weather the storm that you brew. Baby, you know what I'm saying is true. Men will be remember that boy is a fool. The things that you said don't mean a thing, that's what she don't need. Get that in your head, she don't need Gucci, she easy to please. The things that you said don't mean a thing, and I think maybe you should just leave.
You said that you would treat me right,